skate is worth $100, and I'm also throwing in a Jabba t-shirt. You guys already know the drill. Just Rochambeau, normal American rules, whenever you're ready.
That's game. That's it.
Alright, drum roll everybody, and your winner was Zack with a $100 bill, man. We're gonna see you in the next Game of Skate up next.
Cool. Look forward to it.
And you also get this Jabba shirt on release. You got the blue globe on the black, back white mark.
That's my shit.
And make sure you guys give them a follow.
Blue bill
Zack's
right there.
page, I got both of their Instagrams right here and here. And appreciate y'all for coming out.